This video we shall take you to the distribution module of SuperSales mobile application. First, log in with your mobile number and the password which you would have received as the SMS when you signed up for SuperSales. So the SuperSales distribution module is about managing your channel partners, retailers and dealers, and how to plan your visits and how to capture all the data during the visit to your channel partners. Once you sign in, your home page is your list of leads and visits for today. To add a new visit or to plan a visit, we'll take you to the visit add module. First is to select your customer or the retailer or the channel partner. So you can just type the name and choose the retailer. It is not mandatory to add a contact to a retailer, but it is a good practice. So you can add the name, mobile number, email ID, designation and the key role. Only name and mobile number are mandatory, the rest are optional. So we have added this contact. Now this is a one-time exercise which you don't need to do every time. Now what is the time of the meeting? When do you plan to meet this channel partner? So you can choose any date up to 6 months from now. So we are adding and the time of the visit. So we are adding it at 7:40 p.m. So that is the scheduled time that we plan to visit this channel partner. So these visits can be uploaded as a beat plan from Excel from the backend, or you can add individual visits as we have shown you in this add visit form. So once the visit is added successfully, you go to your sales plan and your visits for today, and this is your beat plan for today. So all the channel visits planned are already here. Once you reach there, first thing you have to do is turn your location on. This is when you reach the channel partner, and this is your visit which comes up on your mobile, and you check in to the visit. So check in means you have reached the location. Now it may happen that the location of the channel partner is not updated correctly, so in which case it will ask you to send a request for approval. Post that, there's a whole menu, visit menu. One popular option is to add a picture. So you can take a picture of the store or the channel partner display. This picture will be saved with the lat long or the location where the picture was taken and the timestamp. You can now view the picture. So you view all the pictures that were taken during this visit. So if you see at the bottom, the timestamp is there and the address where this picture was taken was there. So which means that you cannot fake a picture. The picture has to be genuinely taken while you are on visit. Another option will be to update the inventory or the stock at the channel partner or the retailer. Here you got to choose the product and the quantity. So the various ways to choose a product: one is select the main category, subcategory, and then the drop down will show only products belonging to those category and subcategory. Enter the stock level. Another way to choose a product is to search for the product. this applies when your product list is very long and you directly get the product without going to the category subcategory. Another way uh, to select a product, especially if your list is short of 20-25, directly you get a drop down with all the products. So you have updated your inventory at the channel partner. You can again go and view the inventory that you have added, so that you are sure that you have added the correct inventory. Next option is to add the tertiary sales. So for a given period, typically from your last visit to this channel partner till date, you can update the inventory, sorry, you can update the sales, the tertiary sales of that channel partner. So you know which product is getting sold at this channel partner and in what quantity. So similar way, you select the products and enter the tertiary sales of that product for that given period. Typically, as I said, the period is since your last visit. We can add a product by searching for the product. Or simply select the product from the product drop down. So we have now updated our tertiary sales. We can again validate if the tertiary updated is correct, the period and the product wise quantity. Another option is now to create a sales order. See, now that you have reviewed the tertiary and this inventory, you can take an order from the retailer or the channel partner. Here again, choose the product and the quantity of the order. And your PO gets generated because the taxation and all that is pre-configured. In the order, you have an additional option to give a discount. The discount levels are authorized to a maximum level for each salesperson, for each product. You can also commit the delivery time and any other special commitment that you have made to the retailer or any terms and conditions. So the last option is to take a feedback from the retailer or update your observations during the visit. You can each company can set up its own questionnaire for the feedback. Things like, is the product on display, is he aware of the scheme. So your manager can see this feedback. Okay, last, when you end the visit, you update a visit status. So what type of visit was it? Was it face to face or telephonic? What was the outcome of the visit? Did customer place order? Were customer issues resolved? Is there any next action which you captured during the visit? What was the date, time, and the type of interaction? Is it face to face or telephonic next interaction? The date and time of the next interaction? A small note of the next interaction and a summary of the visit. So finally, it asks your confirmation to submit the visit report. So once your visit report is submitted, you could now check out from this location. Now in this case, since you asked for an approval to confirm the address, so your admin has approved the new address. So now the correct address is updated in the company records. So now you can see your check-in time and your check-out time is recorded. So this check-in time and check-out time is based on GPS coordinates matching of your mobile with the retailer mobile. Now if you come to the daily report, this visit becomes a part of your daily report. So if you just click on this visit, the entire details of this visit are available here. Similarly, your next action is also been captured. Now you have already created a next action for 21st March. So let us go to 21st March and see our sales plan. Under sales plan, choose the visit option, and your next action for this visit is already there. So you will get a reminder on 21st March. While you visited on 12th of March, the reminder will come to you on 21st March.